Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the Windows EC2 install. Okay, how to launch the Windows server in the AWS. Okay, so first of all we have to open the AWS console, and this is the AWS instance console. Okay, click to EC2. Okay, if you can search there also EC2. It's a basic method, and click EC2 and instance. Okay, right now there's no running any instance. So we are going to launch one instance, that's a Windows. Okay, first put the instance name. Okay, you can put like um, Windows Server. We are going to install the latest one 2022. Okay, so scroll down and here Windows, select the Windows, and here you can see other versions also there. And this is a Microsoft Windows 2022 base, and core base also there. The first a different core base and base. If you choose the core base, you know that it will be like a command, not in this graphics. And the base model will be graphics. Okay, so I'm just going to select the base model and scroll down, and here is the key pair for the security credential. So if you don't have key, you have to create one key pair. Okay, and we have to choose the .pem, and this is the SSH key pair. So we are going to access this Windows server through the SSH method. So we have to going to select the PEEM, and this one is a Linux putty. We can access from the putty. Okay, that's a putty key. So the first one we are going to select. Okay, select the PEEM and the key pair name. So here Windows, the same name I'll put here, and server 2022 key pair. Okay, that's it. Okay, Windows Server 2022 Keeper, and create Keeper will be automatic download on your download dashboard. So here you can see it's downloaded. So the next we have to do, scroll down. The network everything will be default. I'm not going to change anything, and the group policy also I didn't do anything. And you have to allow this. It will be automatic default. Allow RDP traffic from anywhere, and we have to on this HTTP. Okay, if you want, you can on the HTTPS also. There's latest version security. I'm just going to on only the HTTP one. Okay, HTTP. Okay, that's it. And other things, everything is a default. I'm not going to change anything. And launch instance, and we have to wait few minutes for the instance completely launch. Okay, we have to wait few minutes, and wait for few minutes. Okay, we come to the dashboard, the instance which one we created, and we have to know it's running or not. So for that instance, go to instance, and here you can see running 0. Just refresh. Okay, wait couple of minutes. Actually, it's not yet run. That's why. Okay, now it's running, and here you can see statistic. If you get should be passed, it's better. All the service are running, so you can wait. So before waiting, we do a couple of things we have to done, and just click this one, the server which one we created, and connect. And we are going to connect by RDP client. Okay, RDP client. And in the RDP client, which key pair we downloaded and create and downloaded, we have to upload the key pair here and download. Sorry, the key pair we download here and that upload here. Okay, and this is the download remote desktop file. This one is that we going to access the Windows server from the RDP tool. Okay, so we download the RDP tool from here from the AWS, and if you're using Windows also, you will get the RDP tool on the Windows remote desktop connection. Here you can see this is a remote desktop connection. And what is the difference? The AWS RDP file which one we downloaded, and what is the difference the Windows RDP? Okay, we just open the which one we downloaded from the AWS and just click on it and see this is the difference. The RDP from we download from the AWS and we download from uh, the default one from the Windows. Okay, or just wait a few minutes. I think it's got hang. That's right. Actually, in this PC, many things are running. That's why getting slow. So wait a few minutes. Let's see. Okay, now it's running. Fine. So this is the difference. Okay, this is the one which one we downloaded, and this one via our Windows default one. Okay. Here you have to put the username or the domain name or to access the RDP at the desktop. And after that we need to put the password also. And I'll just close this one. I'm not going to use the default one. I'm just going to use the download one. And here you can see we have to put only the password. The password we will get from the key pair. How to read the key pair? We have to go into get the password, click that one, and suppose if you're not getting the Windows like this upload private key file, if you're not getting, that means the your EC2 instance is not running fully. So you have to wait for running properly, then only you'll get the access this window. Okay, and upload private key file from here. The private key file, which one we created the Windows key server, just click that one. Okay, and here you can see we upload the file, and after that we just decrypt the password, then only you will get the password. See here you can see this is the password. This is the password. We are just going to copy and going to administrator, means we have already the tool and administrator username, and just put the password. See the same password we put it here, and just click OK. And you will get the remote configuration verification connection anywhere. Okay, let's just put the certificate yes. Okay, and here you can see the Windows server is launching. Okay, it's launching. We have to wait for a couple of minutes for launching the Windows server. And here you can see we launched the Windows Server 2022 on our computer through the virtual like AWS. Okay, so we created launch instance. So everything is done. And this is the one which the server manager for the Windows server. And here you can create the Active Directory and or etc. DNS servers and other things also we can do from here. So it's a server manager. Okay, see we can create the all features and roles. Okay, so that's it. In this video we're talking about only about the how to launch the Windows Server EC2. So next video we'll talk about how to access this Windows Server clients into an other laptop and other virtual device. How to we can access the Windows Server clients. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I hope you understand about the AWS launching the Windows Server. Thank you.